Take a look at this Facebook page, just a handful of posts, yet it has already crossed 1.4 million followers. Sounds crazy, right? But don't even look at the followers. Look at these views. 407 million, 5.5 million, 4.6 million, 2.8 million, one viral video after another. When I first found this page, I kept asking myself one question. How is this even possible? Is there a huge production team behind it? Are they spending thousands of dollars on every video? They simply found a content style that people can't stop watching. Highly satisfying transformation videos. And that's exactly what the Facebook algorithm loves. That's exactly why people watch until the end. Once one starts playing, your brain just wants to see what it transforms into next. And that's exactly what the Facebook algorithm loves. Highly satisfying transformation videos. Once one starts playing, your brain just wants to see what it transforms into next. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to start making this style of content yourself. And the best part, once you understand the workflow, you won't be limited to this niche. You can apply the same method to hundreds of different ideas and keep creating videos again and again. So if you're serious about building a monetized Facebook page with AI in 2026, stay with me until the end, because we're starting from absolute zero, and by the end of this video, you'll have the complete blueprint. Let's get started. Now all we need is the master prompt. I spent more than 3 hours building, testing, and refining this prompt until I was finally happy with the results. Every transformation, every instruction, and every little detail was adjusted to make the output as consistent as possible. I tested it on both Claude AI and ChatGPT, and it works really well on both, so you can use whichever one you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll be using Claude AI. All you have to do is copy the entire prompt, paste it into Claude or ChatGPT, and let the AI do its job. Once it finishes, simply replace the placeholder with your own object, vehicle, character, or any transformation idea you have in mind. And if you don't have an idea yet, that's not a problem either. Just tell the AI to generate its own unique transformation ideas, and it'll give you plenty of creative concepts to choose from. Now let's paste in the master prompt and see what it comes up with. As you can see, the prompt is now ready. The AI has generated everything we need. Now it's time to take this output and turn it into actual AI videos. Let's start generating our scenes. Now it's time to turn those ideas into actual videos. For that, we're going to use Google Flow because it lets us generate both images and videos in one place, which makes the entire workflow much faster. You'll notice there are a few different models available here, but for the best and most consistent results, we're going to use Omni Flash. In my testing, this model gave me the smoothest transformations and the most reliable outputs. Now let's copy the prompt, paste it in, and see what it creates. This is always my favorite part because you never know exactly how good the result is going to be until it finishes. If the prompt is solid, the AI usually does an incredible job. Let's hit generate and see what we get. Alright, let's paste the prompt and hit generate. This usually takes around 30 seconds, depending on the servers. I'm doing this live with no cuts and no tricks, so you can see the real output. Let's see what we get. Hopefully, the AI doesn't disappoint us. And if it comes out the way I expect, you'll see why this workflow works so well. Perfect. It's done. Now let's see what the AI came up with. The motion is smooth, the transformation feels natural, and the overall quality is honestly impressive for a free workflow. Of course, not every generation is going to be perfect on the first try. That's completely normal with AI. If one clip doesn't look right, make a small change to the prompt and generate it again. Most of the time, the second or third attempt gives you a much better result. Here are a few of the clips we generated using this workflow. And honestly, for a completely free setup, the results are really impressive. Of course, you can always improve them further by refining your prompts, but this is already a solid starting point. Now, if you're wondering where to get the master prompt, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just subscribe to the channel, check the link in the description, and you'll find the complete prompt ready to copy and use. I highly recommend saving it because you can reuse it for hundreds of different transformation ideas by simply changing the subject. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and let me know in the comments what transformation you want me to create next. And if you want more videos on fast-growing Facebook niches, free AI tools, and proven monetization strategies, make sure you're subscribed because I've got a lot more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.